Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Check out this cute little build. It's an open top box. I have my Halloween candy held hostage in this package, and I have been waiting so that I could, because this is the last of my Halloween candy. So I wanted to dive into this project so that I could eat my Halloween candy, but I've saved it. So I want to show you how to make this box, or demonstrate rather. And I think that this box could be used for a plethora of ideas. Home-baked cookies with a little, like 2 cookies in there for, gift giving, that sort of thing. If you make your own cookie recipes, or even like a hot chocolate idea, how they have the marshmallows and the hot chocolate all together in a package, just add water kind of thing, that would be a good thing to put in here. Anything that you sort of want to display, I guess. Cute idea, right? So I'm going to share with you how to make it. I have my scoreboard out here, and this is Misty Moonlight. I just heard that this cardstock, which is Misty Moonlight, is the most popular cardstock of this last year from Stampin' Up. And Stampin' Up! And starts their year October 1st and goes all the way to September 31st. So this is Misty Moonlight. It is sized 10.5 by 5. And we are going to score on the long side at 1/2, 3.5, 5.5, and 8.5. Then I'm going to flip it round, and I'm scoring at 1.5. Oops. And 4.5. All right, we're going to fold and burnish all of our score lines. Okay, there's a little square right here. I'm going to wedge out the entire square, so it's going to look like that. And then I'm just going to do slight little wedges on this little rectangle spot. So we're just going to cut them, just little wedges, and a little bit on this side. Okay, so now we're going to flip it around to the 1.5 inch side, and I will cut up, and on the, I guess this would be sort of the tabs here, I'm going to just wedge in a little bit. Wedging in helps for a more square close, but you only sort of wedge in on the smaller, like the tabs. I guess I would call these tabs. And not your bigger pieces, which are more or less the structure of the box. And then this rectangle here, we're going to remove. So nice and straight up on that edge, but there is a little wedgie here. Okay, and that's it. All right, so I have Stampin' Seal Plus here. I have found that my just seal, it's good. It's good for card making. It's good for layering things on top of each other, but for actually adhering to create a solid bond, and I haven't had great success with this in box building. So if you have a stronger, like Stampin' Seal, like a stronger adhesive, like Stampin' Seal or tear tape, that would be ideal. Or wet glue. I don't have time to use wet glue, but that would be my preference. So you can see what I did here. I put adhesive along these little tabs. Now I'll be honest with you, it is far easier to press them down before anything happens. So you can see how all that works. And then, oh, I will just a little bit more there. All right, and then I'm just gonna fold this guy and fold this one. So there's that. And now, that's the back. So, okay, I'm going to do a adhesive U on this one and an adhesive U on that one. I call them U's because they look like a U. So don't worry if this is your first time. So you can see here that what'll end up happening is this adhesive will grab the top and this adhesive will sort of grab the edges like that. And then I'll do a U on this side too, so that will snag everything together and we've got a nice solid bond. If in case you did have, you know, heavy laden chocolates or cookies, this has a really nice finish around it. So I always go around with my finger, and if I can feel anything, I sort of trim it off. This is where craftsmanship comes into play. If you're a box builder, you want everything to feel and look nicely. Look how great that looks on the inside. So I'm going to add one more thing to the inside, and this is sized. I will measure it. I didn't write it down. This is sized 1 7/8 by 2 7/8. Let me write that down. And I think it was just awesome to cover because people will be reaching on the inside. And sometimes it's lovely to have that finished. Doesn't that look good? I didn't do it on this one, but I did it on this one. Okay, so that paper happens to be Trimming the Town Designer Series paper. And I have 2 pieces here for either side. And this is 1 7/8 by 2 7/8. Oh, so you need 3 pieces, I guess. Trimming the Town. Look at this, so cute. This paper is so adorable. I've been using it lately, and yeah, I love it. All right, and here is another. So this is the front and the back, and it is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. I'm going to put my candy in. Yeah, that's adorable. So although this has a few little wreaths and stuff like that on it, this could be also for housewarming, I think. I think it would lend well. Alrighty, so I have a stitched circle and a layering circle, the scalloped one. And I am pulling in a sentiment that's from the Merry Hello. It's the Just For You stamp. So I'm going to do some creative masking here. I'm just going to pull out a little bit of washi tape. I'm going to mask off the your. I'm going to ink up the just for, stamp that straight down. Then I'm going to mask up the U and just sort of replace that mask because I didn't wash it off between, so it's going to be dirty. There we go. That's sweet. Okay. A little bit, since I used Stampin' Seal on the project, I'll just put a little bit of Stampin' Seal plus on, whoops, the back of my stitched circle. The great thing about these adhesives is that it gives you time to peel them up, but once they're adhered and burnished in or what have you, they're good to go. All right, a little bit of dimensional adhesive. Okay, so let's see where the back is. I think I can't see the back. I did such a good job. There. That looks awesome. So this, if I had just put white on, it sort of fell away to the background because the background has a little bit of white, but just that little bit of misty moonlight has popped that lovely sentiment up. And again, I think this could be used for many different occasions. So hope you like the project today. If so, press the like button, share with your friends, subscribe, all the things, and thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.